Come one, come all. It's Quentin with the Fashion Dog. And I'm back with another unboxing and review. I got some subscriber mail and we're gonna open some Fashionistas. We're having a Fashionista party today. Y'all remember my friend and subscriber, Alyssa. She sent me some dolls before and she sent me some more. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me, my allergies are acting a fool, and I'm recording this video before I go to work. So y'all should be grateful. I'm still trying to fit YouTube into my work schedule, but we're just gonna open these up. I think I have some other Fashionistas, but I haven't opened them yet. So these will be the first Fashionistas I'm actually unboxing. But I just wanted to read something really quick about the Fashionistas. And this is on the Barbie wiki. Barbie Fashionistas is a line that started in 2009 and is still ongoing. Due to there being hundreds of Barbie Fashionistas products over the course of more than a decade, some of the information can be found on different articles. And just one more little blurb. The first Barbie Fashionista dolls were released in October 2009. There are 7 posable dolls that are based on different personality traits. The characters are glam, cutie, girly, wild, sassy, artsy, and hottie. The dolls feature 12 points of movement, including the wrists, elbows, and waist, so they are capable of doing more than 100 poses. The Ken Fashionista's hottie doll had less articulation points. And from looking at videos of other people talking about Fashionistas, I think the Fashionistas used to go along with the Barbie Life in the Dream House show, or they were based off of characters. They just weren't random dolls. But I think once Barbie started doing the different body types and stuff, they switched it up. And just listening to all the articulation and how they started off, they definitely don't have that now. But they're still cute. We're going to open them up. I want to open her first. And I think online she has the Teresa face. And I believe Teresa is a character from one of Barbie's friends, but a character from Life in the Dream House. And here's Teresa and Barbie together. These should be, oh yeah, this is going to be easy to open. The Barbie containers always have this little part at the bottom. Just throw your finger under there, honey, and move on. Does this come out? Oh. Guess I can keep that if I wanted to. Very easy to open. Here is Miss Teresa. She has some rubber bands on her hair. Let's cut these rubber bands. And both of these Fashionistas she got me are from the same series. I guess I just don't have the Barbie. But I feel like I like the Barbie's outfit the least with this like turquoise blue. I don't like hers as much. But here's Miss Teresa. I took her hair out of the band-aids. Her dress fits nice and snug. I like the one shoulder. I think that's cute. I wish I could give her a little messy bun. I should get her one shoulder or a nasty to the side do. Yes, but she's cute. Her shape is shaping. Get into her little lavender jelly sandals, and then their dresses both have like the Barbie logo and hearts over it. But she's cute. I don't know if this character is supposed to be Latin or if she's Asian. She definitely has a different eye shape. Very pretty. The head moves up and down, side to side. And then just the basic articulation at the elbow and the waist. Yes, she's cute. And just to make sure y'all get a good shot of her face, I'm always, can't tell if I'm have her face in the camera good. But it doesn't look pixelated. I actually really like her eyebrows, if you can see them. And I got some feedback. Please leave in the comments you know, what you think or what you think about the updates or improvements I've been doing. One person told me they could tell that I had a light because my last video was at night. But please let me know in the comments how my lighting is. Of course, it's daytime now, but I have a ring light, and I think it's making a difference. Let's open the black girl with the afro. And again, this is the full series with Barbie in there too. I keep seeing Afro Barbies, and I think I saw her out, but I didn't get her. Because I really want the Fashionista with the Afro and the Afro puffs, but they're blonde. I really want that one. And here's her little graphic illustration. It's super cute. I'm going to keep these. Okay, she doesn't have any rubber bands. Now, honey, this Afro is a fool. I'm gonna get a comb. This is my favorite Barbie comb. I got this with my Totally Hair Barbie, I believe. But let's try to comb this hair out because she look a mess. Oh, it looks better already. It's Joanna Scammer. What's up? Yeah, see, you got to comb it out. One of my friends commented on my last video, was like, I think it's so funny that the first thing people do is comb their hair. You have to, because they be having that box hair. Box hair is worse than beard hair to me. Okay. Oh. I wonder if I wet, I'm gonna have to look at some tutorials. I wonder what happens if you wet the girl's hair to have the afros. Or if anyone in the comments has played around with it, please tell me. I'm curious to know. Okay. But she looked better than she did when she first came out the box. I got her little afro together. She is cute. She has a pretty face. I think they could have gave her a little more something in the face, but she is pretty. Like, she can't get no shadow. Can a down get a little, she do got, it looks like maybe she has some eyeliner. I like her dress. Of course, I like the pink dress. And then she has on the pink jelly sandals. They're like a platform. Thank you, Barbie. If you're going to give the girls a flat, can they at least be a platform flat? Like, hello? And again, her dress has the Barbie logo. I think this is like from the 90s. Head swivel side to side, up and down. Same as her. These are very simple. She got a nice shape though. These are very simple. You know, this is like a budget line doll, a play line doll. But I think they're cute. They get the job done. I can see, you know, kids enjoying these and they're not too precious. I think that's probably the main point. They're not too precious. You can do what you need to do and you didn't pay a lot for it. So they're cute. They're coming out with some new Fashionistas. I want to play around with this hair. I have one with the afro puff on top, but never just an afro like this. And styling this hair is different. I feel like it looked different already. I like the afro. This hair texture is good. Okay, Barbie, come through, Mattel. You know, one thing I will say I noticed, and I noticed on the video, their face and their body looks like it's made from different plastic. Because the face looks like matte and the body looks shiny. And that's on both of them to me. They look cute together. Are they the same height? Still not they're the same height, not the same body type. But very cute. Yes. Fashionista party. My boyfriend says I'm a Barbie extra, which I agree. But you know, back in the day, fashionista was just a big buzzword. So me and my other fellow fashionistas, because I too am a fashionista. But yes, this was a little quick video. I just wanted to keep some momentum going because, you know, I just started back. She has a little straighter hair. Y'all see that? I'm about to cut it. It's okay, I got it. I'm probably the Barbie Brooklyn Roberts that I just got. I'm probably gonna steal these sandals or the pink ones and put them on her because she has on flats or sneakers. And I put it in the flat, but I still don't like it. But I actually have some more Fashionistas I'm going to unbox soon. I actually have my first Kens. Alyssa got me my first Ken dolls and popped my cherry. Or first Ken doll, and I got another one on my own. So we will have a Ken unboxing soon. Excuse me. I wanted to do some kind of Halloween doll, but life was just life and starting my new job, so I just got kind of sidetracked. But if I could get one before Halloween, we will. But please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I just put out a video with the Barbie Brooklyn Roberts. Please go watch that one or any of my other doll videos. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Please comment, and I will see you soon. Ta-ta.